So I'm working on a 2008 Lexus GS350.
GS350.
And I was having problems getting the OBD2 scanner to read, and the car had a no start condition, and I just replaced the starter. And the problem is right here. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but I got my little hand on the wire right here, and it's the fuel pressure. Let's see if I get my phone down in there. It's the fuel pressure. Yeah, the fuel pressure sensor. And they gotta come out, but this is where it's at. You gotta take off the intake manifold, and it's literally right under it. This is the intake manifold right here. I didn't took it out, it's a little messy, but you go right in here, and it's just right behind there. And it's a 24 millimeter you gotta take out, and that's it.